Hi, I'm Sergeant Billy Gregory, Commander of the Public Affairs Branch with the Kentucky State Police, here today to talk to you about black ice. It's an issue that we may be facing later on here in the Commonwealth as storms are predicted to move in. Black ice is not just ice, it's considered black ice because it appears wet on the roadways. And so we want to tell you some tips and suggestions on how to deal with those. First and foremost, wear your seatbelt and be that person that cleans off their windows and not driving with ice and snow on there. We want to make sure that your visibility is the best it can be and that others can see you as well. So also clean off the taillights and clean off the headlights. And just because you have a four-wheel drive vehicle, don't think you can handle all of these road conditions. When tires get onto ice, they lose traction. So it's not going to be what you think it is because snow provides a little bit of that. Ice does not. So when you reach a patch of black ice, take your foot off the accelerator immediately. Make sure you're keeping a straight wheel. It's advisable since you should be able to coast safely over the ice. If you turn the wheel, you may wind up in a skid and lose control of the vehicle. But if you do, be sure to turn into the skid. We want to make sure that you're avoiding brakes at all times. Don't ever slam on the brakes. If necessary, pump the brakes just when you need to. If you're going fast and you think that you may be losing control, try to skid across and slide across softly the ice patch. Don't slam on the brakes under any circumstances. The only situation there will be your inability to control the vehicle. And one of the biggest mistakes drivers make when driving on the black ice is overcorrecting when they get into a skid. So you'll want to avoid that at all. Gently turn into the skid while pumping the brakes. And then that should get you to returning your steering to normal. Once your tires get traction on the road again, you should find it easy to correct from there. A few suggestions that we have on what you should do regarding the weather that's predicted to be coming is start now running your errands. Stock up on food items and enjoy a warm day inside your home with your family. Try to stay off the roads while our transportation cabinet is taking care of them. And if you have to be sure the car has a winter survival kit. Blankets, cat litter, booster cables, tow chains, flashlights, flares, reflectors, water, snacks, etc. Do what's necessary to make sure you're prepared for inclement winter weather. Thank you for listening today and be safe.